All right, the stats are up for the Fraser Valley. We're going to jump in here. I'm going to show you guys what has been happening with inventory, prices, sales, all of that stuff, and where I think the market's going for the remainder of the year. I'm Thatagentkelly. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you enjoy this type of content, all that I ask, thumbs up, subscribe, follow along, and leave a comment, like, all of that stuff. Let's get into this video. All right, stats came out today. You guys won't be seeing this video for a week, but I want to go over these statistics with you guys. So here we are. This is the Fraser Valley aggregate pricing. This is all product types in all areas across the Fraser Valley. As you guys can see, we have been rounding out into what looks like a bottom, and we literally did not have a price change from September to October. So some decent news there for the housing market, right? And if you look at sales went up ever so slightly, an extra 16 sales than there were previously. Sales to actives listing ratio went up. This is good news. Anything above 20% is a seller's market. Anything between 12 and 20 is balanced. So we're in a balanced market right now, and anything below 12, is a buyer's market. Let me move my face out of the way here. And then new listings dropped off, so to about 140 some odd less new listings. And this is what's interesting. So inventory has been falling off a cliff since about June, right, which is normal. But if you look at, I expect inventory to continue dropping until December, because if you look at all these bottoms here, they're all in December before inventory shoots up for the spring. So I would expect prices in the Fraser Valley to stay relatively stable, if not the same, or within the same kind of trading sideways range for the remainder of the year as inventory keeps falling until December. And then maybe we see a correction again starting in the spring. But I don't know. I'm just spitballing here with you guys. So let's check out my local market of Abbotsford here. I've been doing a lot of work in the detached market. Let's check out the pricing here. So yeah, we're basically flat, even in Abbotsford. Look at this. We got our way up 1.5 mil. Now we're almost down 500 grand, right? So, but we stayed pretty much flat in October. Sales actually picked up quite a bit, 45 to 58. Inventory still coming down. Let's see sales to actives. That picked up again. We were all the way down at 9, which is a pretty strong buyer's market. Now we're at 14. We're up in the balanced territory. And new listings, let's check that out. 128. So new listings went down. Let's take a look at Langley. So Langley's actually gone up in price since August. That's interesting. Let's see the inventory here. Inventory still falling. Sales to actives still in a balanced market. Sales went down, but the price went up. Super interesting for Langley. Let's check out Surrey while I got you guys here. So Surrey's still falling. I think there's a lot of inventory in Surrey. Like, what's the sales to actives here? Yeah, 8. That's a very strong buyer's market for Surrey, right? Like, they just have so many listings that aren't selling in Surrey right now, and that's why Surrey's just continuously getting beat up. Let's take a look at Mission. 1.35 down to 930. So what is that? 420 grand. But Mission went up apparently in October, right? This is median pricing, by the way, guys. This isn't average pricing. It's a little bit different, right? Inventory coming down, just like everywhere else. Sales stayed relatively flat. Sales to actives. By the way, this is probably the most important metric, is the sales to actives ratio. So this is how many homes are listed and how many of them are selling. So basically 10% of new listings are selling in the month of October, right? That is a buyer's market for Mission still, right? What else we got in here? Chilliwack. Forgot about Chilliwack. What is this? See, this is the thing with, like, I don't know if I believe that. I think there's just not enough data. There's not enough volume happening in this part of Chilliwack to actually get a good idea of what's going on. But Anyways, that's just basically your rough market update for the Fraser Valley. That looks more realistic for Sardis. Their prices went up a little bit, but anyways, there's your market update for the Fraser Valley, Sardis, and a balanced market. And yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I will do one for the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver as well, so look out for that. Thanks, guys. So there's your brief overview for the Fraser Valley. I'm going to cover the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver in another video coming up soon. Obviously, you guys know the Fraser Valley is Surrey, Langley, Abbotsford, Mission, Chilliwack. And then the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver is obviously Coquitlam, Port Coquitlam, Burnaby. You guys get the idea. So I'll cover the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver in another video. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.